Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost funds with Poshmark, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the issue with your lost funds on Poshmark. Log into your Poshmark account using your credentials. Navigate to the account tab located in the bottom right corner of the app. Scroll down and select My Balance to check your current balance status. If you notice discrepancies, move to the support section. Tap on Customer Support to initiate a conversation regarding your issue. Select Contact Us to find the options available for assistance. Choose the funds category to focus on your lost funds situation. Fill out the provided form, detailing your issue clearly and concisely. Include all necessary information like your username, transaction details, and any relevant screenshots. Submit your inquiry and keep an eye on your email for a response from Poshmark. While waiting for a response, check your transaction history for any updates. If the funds were supposed to be transferred and have not appeared, ensure you check your bank account. Once you hear back from Poshmark, follow their instructions closely for resolution. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested by the support team. If further assistance is needed, consider reaching out again for updates. Monitor your account for changes after your issue has been resolved. Keep records of all communications for your future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.